Marcos advocates flocked in front of the Sandigan Bayan showing strong support for the president's fourth Station of the Nation or State of the Nation address. Our JM Pineda reports on the group's hopes on the voicing out his future endeavors.
Around 8 a.m. in the morning, groups of President Marcos loyalists arrived in front of Sandigan Bayan to show their support as he delivers his fourth State of the Nation address. Unlike last year, when Commonwealth Avenue was packed with supporters and programs filled the street, this year's gathering was much smaller, but they remain confident that they can still show their strong support to the President. Among them are the group called Friends of Imelda Romualdez Marcos or FIRM 24K, who said that they do this every year, regardless of whether there's a program or others group present.
Yung inaabangan natin, tuloy-tuloy na yung pagbaba ng presyo ng bigas, ma-maintain sa 20. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin sa ibang lugar yung pagbibigay niya ng mga makinarya para sa mga agriculture, any department, basta makasuporta sa education, pangatlo, sa pabahay niya, at the same time, mabalik sana sa gobyerno yung ilaw at tubig.
The group also hopes President Marcos will talk about big infrastructure projects like the train system and subway planned for Metro Manila and nearby provinces. They are also convinced that President Marcos has so far fulfilled his duties properly during his term.
Ngayon, nakaraan na ang 3 taon or madadagdagan pa, hari nawa, maging satisfied siya kasi sa totoo lang yung mga ibang project niya na malalaki na ngayon lang pinapakita ay alam ko nakakalahati na rin yan. Kasi nag-start kasi yan, umupo siya, isa-isa niya na sinubaybayan o ginawa na ng paraan.
Last year, the group was also present during the SONA. The only difference this time is that there's no official program in front of Sandigan Bayan. Still, they said they will move wherever they need to gather. Meanwhile, PNP Chief Nicolas Torre III made the rounds at the Sandigan Bayan area where the Mobile Command Center and MMDA First Aid were stationed. He also checked on personnel. Many of them have been deployed since last night. JM Pineda from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.